Every person dreams of becoming the best, but dreams alone never create success. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is found in daily habits. Greatness begins with one decision to improve yourself every single day. The best people don't wait for motivation, they build discipline. Even when they don't feel like working, they keep moving forward because success rewards consistency, not excuses. Failure is not your enemy. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Winners don't quit after losing. They become smarter and stronger because of every setback. Your mindset shapes your future. Think positively, speak confidently, and believe that every challenge is preparing you for something bigger. Time is your greatest investment. Every minute spent learning a new skill brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Take care of your body because your mind performs best when your health is strong. Exercise, eat well, and stay energetic every day. Successful people surround themselves with positivity. Learn from mentors, read inspiring books, and avoid people who constantly spread negativity. Never compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Small improvements every day create extraordinary results. The best never stop learning. Every new skill opens another opportunity. Stay curious because knowledge is a lifelong advantage. Be disciplined. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. If you improve just 1% every day, one day, you'll become the person everyone admires. Start today. Please subscribe my channel Billionaire Blueprint